So here is the room tour of room 336. Let's go and have a look. Okay, so we've got a full length mirror. Smells clean, smells like bleach. Nice little bathroom area with some hand wash, body milk that is, hairdryer, little mirror, shower, bath. It's okay, towels, shower gel, shampoo and conditioner. Yeah, little bidet. Go through. So here we've got a little seat in here. I take it that's the two beds for the kids. And then you've got the main bedroom. It's a very wide bed. TV in here. Oh, we've got two balconies. So we've got a balcony here. We've got a balcony over here, another TV on the wall. Another balcony. Let's have a... If we can open the... How do we open it? Like that? No, that's locked it. You have to push the button. I can't open that. Why can't I open that? Oh, it's because it's locked. There we go. The balcony. Got our own little private. We've got two balconies. Got that one and this one. Nice views of the pool and the sea. That's a pretty good view. Table, little drying rack over there. Some nice imagery on the wall. Telephone. What we got behind here? That's storage. Some pillows from the sofa. And a little kitchenette. Very little kitchenette. So microwave. It's got a couple of cups and saucers and some glasses. And then a bin under the sink. And a fridge. It's empty. Little coffee maker, kettle. That's the adjoining room door. So this is the room. Yeah. It's all right. Plug sockets either side of the bed. Little lights. What's in here? Just another storage thing, I'm assuming. Safe, which I think you have to pay extra for. And a wardrobe. Yeah. Nice. Seems fairly fresh. It's definitely clean. But yeah, this is the room tour for the H10 Resort in Lanzarote. We've got aircon as well. Let's turn that bad boy on. Set on 10 degrees. Ooh, that'd be cool. It's 25 in here at the minute. So yeah, that is the room tour. I think all the rooms are pretty much the same, to be honest. It'll do the job. Yeah, I recommend.